KidsVision TV.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's color with me. First I am drawing this hair, golden color. This is a
Subscribe us for more videos.
I am coloring another side. Purple. I am coloring in hairpin, star. Now I am coloring its face with the skin color. I am coloring its body and its arm, skin color. I am coloring in crown. Purple color. I am coloring its body. It's time to color its tail, dark blue color. Light pink color. Yellow color in her tail. Now you can color with me into a water drop. I am coloring a rainbow water drops. Let's make a water with light blue color. Let's draw the waves. It looks so beautiful.
Subscribe us for more videos.